Let's discuss today the ferritin test. What is ferritin test? A ferritin blood test that measures the level of ferritin in your blood. Ferritin is a protein that stores iron inside your cells. You need iron to make healthy red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Iron is also important for healthy muscles, bone marrow and organs, including brain development in children. People also call ferritin test in another names like serum ferritin level, or ferritin serum. Why ferritin test is used for? The ferritin blood test is used to help check your iron levels. It can help your healthcare provider find out if your body is storing the right amount of iron to stay healthy. The test may also be used to help diagnose or rule out conditions related to iron levels, including hemochromatosis, having too much iron in your body, also called iron overload, iron deficiency anemia, having too few red blood cells because you lack iron, liver disease. Much of the ferritin in your body is stored in your liver. Restless legs syndrome are tingling or burning feelings in your legs that may be caused by a lack of iron. Adult still disease, also called adult onset still disease or AOSD, an uncommon disease that causes joint pain, fever and rash, often with high ferritin levels. Monitor chronic long-lasting conditions that may affect your iron levels, such as cancer, kidney disease and autoimmune disease. What are the common symptoms of low level or too high level of ferritin blood test? So here we go one by one. Symptoms of iron levels that are too low or too high. So too little or too much iron in your blood can lead to health problems which cause symptoms. Symptoms of iron levels that are too low include below: shortness of breath, weakness or fatigue, dizziness, a problem with the rate or rhythm of your heartbeat called arrhythmia. Now, symptoms of iron levels that are too high can vary and tend to get worse over time. Symptoms may include below: weakness or fatigue, joint pain commonly in the knee or hands, loss of interest in sex or erectile dysfunction, abdominal pain, change in skin color which may look gray, metallic. What are the causes of ferritin blood test? Causes of low ferritin blood test levels: if your results are lower than normal, you might have iron deficiency and possibly anemia. Your doctor may prescribe iron supplements or order more blood tests to figure out the cause. Now, causes of high ferritin blood test levels: higher than normal result mean your body is storing too much iron. Your doctor may adjust your diet or supplements, since high iron is a symptom of other medical issues. You may have more tests to pinpoint the cause, such as hemochromatosis, rheumatoid arthritis, inflammatory problem, liver disease, hyperthyroidism, alcohol abuse, or you have taken too many iron supplements, leukemia, and you have had several blood transfusions. What do the ferritin test result mean? or how to read, understand the result mean. Lower than normal ferritin level may mean you have iron deficiency, anemia, or another condition related to low iron levels. Iron deficiency anemia is a common type of anemia in which your body doesn't make enough red blood cells. Without treatment, it can lead to heart problems, infection, slow growth and brain development in children, and other health issues. Higher than normal ferritin level can mean you have too much iron in your body. Conditions that cause increased iron levels include liver disease, alcohol use disorder, hemochromatosis, hyperthyroidism. Let's understand the result mean by the age group, by the male and female. So if your ferritin test result are not normal, it does not always mean you have a medical condition that needs treatment. Certain medicine can decrease or increase your ferritin levels as well as. If you have questions about your result, first talk to your healthcare provider, means doctor. In this chart, according to some source, the normal ranges for ferritin in the blood are as follows. You can read quickly. Adults male. For the adults male and for the adults female and for the females over 50, newborns, infant aged 1 month, infants aged 2 to 5 months, children aged 6 months to 15 years. We have given all the charts. Just like for adults, you can read, for adults female, you can read the whole entire chart very carefully. What is the best treatment for the high ferritin level as well as low ferritin level? Here we go. First of all, how to increase low ferritin level. Doctor treat low ferritin levels with oral iron supplements. For severe cases of iron anemia, a person may require treatment with intravenous iron for the best result. People should take oral iron supplements with a source of vitamin C to increase iron absorption. They should avoid anti-side calcium supplements and tea or coffee within 2 hours of an iron supplement. The best treatment for the high ferritin level depends on the underlying causes or the cause. Here we go. For hereditary hemochromatosis, doctors typically recommend a person have their blood removed from their body in a process called a phlebotomy on a regular basis. The amount of blood that the doctor removes and how frequent they remove it, it depends on the doctor, and the advice of your doctor will vary depending on a person's age, first of all, health and ferritin levels. At first, the person may require the removal of around 500 ml of blood weekly. Trusted sources until their ferritin levels return to the normal level. But you need to consult your doctor first if you feel like such type of these things. Thank you very much for watching the video. Share, subscribe our channel.